Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your PHH Mortgage account. So go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to Google. Now search for PHH Mortgage. Click the first link which appears in your screen. Now you can see the login option in the screen. Go ahead and tap it, which is on the right hand side. Tap on login and you can either log into your mortgage center or reverse mortgage login. So to log into your mortgage center, tap on mortgage center login. It will take some time and it will lead you to this page. Now what you need to do is go ahead and tap sign in. Or if you don't have an account, go ahead and register your account. So go to sign in and it will lead you to a new page. Wait for a while and then it will slowly load and the login portal will open. What you need to do is go ahead and write your username, your password, and if you want Google to remember your username, just hit this tick mark and also tick mark the I agree to the user terms and privacy policy and then hit the login button. Now to log in to the reverse mortgage login, go ahead and tap reverse mortgage login. It's the same process as before, so if you don't have an account, you can just register now. And if you want to sign in, just tap on sign in. Keep your patience as the internet speed might differ from places and you might have some loading time. And if it doesn't open, go ahead and reload the page and it might open, and all you need to do is enter your username, password, and you can go ahead and press remember me and agree to the terms of services and then press login. So this was a way of how you can log into your PHH Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.